Hello guys, it's your boy Yashir Gaming, where if you're new to this channel guys, I would like you to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button and also ring that bell notification, okay? Alright, so in this video guys, I'll show you how you're gonna transfer photos to your smartphone, Android, or iPhone device, okay, wirelessly, okay? How we're gonna do that for the first time. Okay? Say for example, you have a few photos. I see. As you can see right there, I've got a few photos. Let's say I'm going to transfer this photo on my smartphone. Alright, so how am I going to do that? First of all, I'm going to go to menu. Then from menu, I'm going to go all the way to okay, I'm gonna go all the way to here. Then what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, it says Wi-Fi NFC disabled. So I'm gonna press OK and I'm gonna enable it. Okay, so here I'm gonna register a name. Alright, I'm just gonna press menu. As you can see, if you press display, it's gonna cancel. If you press menu, it's gonna OK. I'm gonna stick with the same name, US 2000D. Alright, and I'm gonna press menu here. Alright, then I'm gonna hit OK. Alright, so it is enabled. Then I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna click connect to smartphone. Here, what I'm gonna do a easy connection. Alright, here as you can see, you're gonna find the encryption key. You can see here. Now on your smartphone, all you gotta do is to hold down your Wi-Fi and wait for it. Hit a refresh. If you don't see that, you will see it, US 2000D Canon. So enter that, and for the password you gotta enter this encryption. Okay, you see this encryption key, which is 025 78079. Okay. 025 78059. Alright, sounds good. Next I'm gonna hit connect. Alright, so we are connected, and now over there you're gonna see this connected, no internet. Don't worry about this. All you have is to launch this and you are search for Canon app. Okay, make sure that you install this app. Okay, this app right here. So I'm gonna open it. Alright, I'm gonna select this, and here as you can see, requested for permission. You're gonna select all images and you're gonna simply hit OK. Alright, here once you see this connection established, and right now once you see this guys, your Canon camera's LCD will automatically turn off. Okay, don't panic. And on your smartphone you're gonna see this, alright, connected to a camera. And now say for example you would like to, you're gonna list all the images. Alright, you can see all of that. So if you wanna grab this image, all you gotta do is, let's see this one, all you gotta do is to click import right here, and boom, you're gonna see it's gonna importing. Okay, next you can open this using anything. Okay, you can open it in your photos gallery or whatever. Okay, and say for example here you can do remote live shooting as well. Okay, I'm gonna do another video on that. Alright, because right now my camera, I have this. Alright, I don't have my lens right now. I have my lens, but it's right there. Alright, you can see all of that. It's messy. Alright, so yeah, so this was it guys. So basically you can say for example you want to transfer a whole lot of images. You can select and choose however which images you want to transfer. Say I'm going to import these ones, and all I'm going to do, I'm click this import button, and you will see here saving images, saving images, saving images.